Hey Jordan, this is Andy. You're one of the subscribers. Um, for you, buddy. It works. It's a good phone. My, my mom and my dad and my stepmom had it for many years. They gave it to my brother, which now I got it. I'm gonna show you the cordless. This is what the cordless looks like. It has a belt clip so you could look at. The caller ID kind of faded on the phone, but got a bell clip. Removes easily off. It looks like that. Kind of. What? Foam lever. Oh yeah. But here's the phone itself, cordless. And the charger dock. And it looks like this when you charge it. Good phone. Um. Ringer. Let me play the ringer. Pages too. Hello. Yeah, I'm just showing you the ringer melody. Has three. Um, it has caller ID. So this is my new office phone. So let me know what you think. Really good.